Hello YouTube! Welcome to another video of my Swiss Army knife tip and trickery. Today I'll show you 3 tips with the Victorinox can opener. I use my Swiss Army knife not only outdoors, I use it also at home for everyday tasks. For example, for assemble furniture or for repair furniture or to change the battery from the toys from my kids or for fix the toys or whatever. And for that it's good to know that the small screwdriver is not only designed for normal screws with a slot like this. This screwdriver works also for screws with a potty drive head or for screws with a Phillips head. In this old video I showed you an easy and secure technique how to carve a spoon with the can opener. For carving the concave depression you have to make many cuts in all directions with the small blade until the wood starts to scramble. Use the round edge of the can opener to scratch out the crumbs. For this task, this small edge here is not ideal. If you don't use the screwdriver and the can opener, you can also grind away this little edge after you get a specific spoon carving tool. But don't forget, as soon you modify your knife, you may lose the warranty. To grind away this little edge, you don't really need a machine. This is also possible with a normal diamond sharpening tool or with a sharpening stone. This takes probably 10 minutes. So this is the result after 10 minutes grinding, and with this sharp edge you can't only scratch. You are also able to cut. And this makes the surface of the depression smoother. If you have a pen with a wire handle, you can also use the can opener to grab the pen out of the fire, like this. If you don't have a wire handle, I'll show you another trick. For that, open the bottle opener and the big blade. Then grab the tin like this and now you can grab out your pen without burning your hands. If you want to know other tricks with the Swiss Army knife, please check my playlist and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time with better weather. Ciao!